Good morning, students. Let's start our day with smile and a one positive thought. So today's thought is one small positive thought in the morning can change our whole day. So students, today in this video I am going to start chapter number 3, that is acronyms, on page number 3. So students, an acronym is an abbreviation that is pronounced like a word. Acronym क्या है? वो वाली abbreviations जिनको हम words की तरह pronounce करते हैं. So let's have some examples of acronyms. First one is DOS. DOS means a disk operating system. The acronym of DOS is a disk operating system. And a disk operating system क्या है? Disk operating system is a computer operating system, and a disk operating system must provide a file system for organizing, reading and writing files on the storage disk. Next is LAN. LAN means local area network. Local area network is a computer network that interconnects computers within a limited area, such as resident, school and campus. Next one is VAT. VAT means value added tax. In some country it is known as goods and service tax. It is a consumption tax placed on the products. Move to the next, that is RAM. RAM is an acronym for read-only memory. It refers to computer memory chips containing permanent or semi-permanent chips. Next is INSAT. INSAT means Indian National Satellite System. It is a series of multi-purpose geostationary satellites, and it is launched by Indian Space Research Organization. So students, ISRO क्या हो गया? It is again an acronym. So this satellite is used for broadcasting, telecommunication, meteorology, search and rescue operations. So the next one is GAIL. GAIL means it is the India's largest natural gas processing and distributing company. GAIL means, the full form of GAIL is Gas Authority of India Limited. So GAIL is an acronym for Gas Authority of India Limited. Next is IMAX. IMAX is a proprietary system of high resolution cameras, film formats, film projectors and theaters known for very large screens, that is image maximum. IMAX means image maximum. Next is NATO. Means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It is also called North Atlantic Alliance. It is an intergovernmental military alliance between 30 North America and European countries. Its main purpose was to defend each other from the possibility of communist Soviet Union taking control of their nation. Next is IGNU. IGNU means Indira Gandhi National Open University. It is a central university located at Maidangari, New Delhi, India. It is named after former Prime Minister of India, that is Shrimati Indira Gandhi. Next is radar. Radar means radio detection and ranging. So students, it is a detection system that uses radio waves to determine the range, angle or velocity of the object. So student, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, रेडियो वेव्स को यूज़ करते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए. सो इट कैन बी यूज टू डिटर्मिन एयरक्राफ्ट, ships, spacecrafts and weather information. So next is laser. Laser means it is a device that emits light through a process of optical amplification based on the stimulated emission of electromagnetic radiations. So the full form of laser is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiations. Next is scuba. Scuba stands for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus, which is completely independent of surface supply to breathe underwater. So, in scuba diving, divers carry their own source of breathing gas and they usually use compressed air. सो इसमें क्या होता है, जो डाइवर्स होते हैं वो अपना ब्रीथिंग ऑपरेटर्स जो है वो खुद कैरी करके लेके जाते हैं अंडर वाटर स्विम करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट इज सिरी. सिरी मीन्स स्पीच इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड रिकॉग्नाइजेशन इंटरफेस. सो सिरी इज़ अ वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट एंड this assistant uses voice queries and a natural language user interface to answer questions and make recommendations. Next is Qantas. So Qantas means Queensland and Northern Territory Aerial Services. So Qantas is a third oldest airline in the world after KLM and Avianca. So students, these are some examples of acronyms. In the next video, I will discuss acronym cross.